In this instructional video, we will show you how to use the fraction holder rectangle tool in your presenter file. You can use the tool as soon as the cursor is active. Drag one or more empty bars into the field. Choose a fraction and drag it to an empty bar. If you let go of the fraction before dropping it in the bar, or when the fraction is too big for the bar you want to place it in, it will disappear. The fractions placed in the bar can always be moved or removed by dragging them outside of the bar. As long as the bar has not been filled completely yet, you can move it around. Click on Reset to clear the field. In the Settings menu, you can choose which fractions you want to see, whether or not to show the specific words or concepts that fraction applies to, and determine how the fractions ought to be placed in the empty bar. If you choose a line, the fraction automatically moves to the closest possible space where it can fit. If you choose Place Randomly, you can place fractions at any place in the bar. Close the menu by clicking on the Settings button again next to the menu. Would you like more information about one of these tools? Click on the Information button. You are now set to use the tool Fraction Holder Rectangle. Open Presenter and get going.